Hey, what up, y'all? So, it's been a minute since it's been an update. I ain't really been doing nothing, but heading to the muffler shop now. Got some new exhaust tips, 4-inch tips. So, about to head and go put these on, and hopefully, the addition of some tips will help to slow down this drone that you hear. Yeah, so hopefully with these tips on here to get more sound behind the car, not in the car. So stick around and we'll see what we got. Alright, so just left the muffler shop. Got my tips on. Had to go to 2 shops. The first one said they couldn't do it, so I went to the second one and they was like, yeah, I got you. So took a little bit, but they are on. They look real good, and it's super quiet in here now. So no more of the extra loud drone and all of that, but they look good. So I'm gonna go ahead and find somewhere and get some videos together so y'all can see what they look like. I was gonna wait until this guy stopped cutting the grass, but they got a lot of grass over there, so I don't know when that's gonna be. And I'm probably about to leave, so get a good look at the tips. Dual 4-inch tips. It didn't take them long to put them on either. Not as long as I thought, but let me get under here. They just had to bend this little pipe in the middle. Yeah, this piece right there. Had to bend that for both sides to get around that little hump right there, but they did pretty good. There we go. You can actually see the bend a little bit. So yeah, didn't take long. Nice tips. I found these on eBay. I put a link in there for you. I think they were like 55 or something like that. I don't know, but yeah, they finish off the look on the back real good. And it's been a long time I've been riding with no tips, so it's good to finally have some back there. But about to go ahead and wash this thing now. It's pretty dusty, so we'll wash this up and we're gonna see what we can get into today.